As you return to Athens to begin the fall semester, you will see a number of investments that the University of Georgia has made to further strengthen campus security. We regularly collaborate with our partners to evaluate our safety programs. This year alone, we have invested $7.3 million in new security initiatives. Our recent contributions bring the university's total investment in campus security to more than $23 million over the past 8 years.
As you return to campus, you will see an increase in uniformed personnel in our community working for the police department, to include our new team of campus safety ambassadors. The university has increased the police department's budget by 20%, increasing pay and hiring new officers. In fact, our police compensation is among the best in the state. We have also upgraded lighting on campus and are adding new emergency callbox systems. We are working to make existing lighting brighter by converting hundreds of old lights to LED technology and adding additional lighting in high foot traffic areas.
Student safety is our top priority. We regularly talk with students to understand what enhancements will best serve their needs. Some of the programs that I'm most excited about are our Campus Safety Ambassador Program and the UGA Ride Smart Program. The new Campus Safety Ambassador Program trains individuals to escort students to housing and other on-campus locations in the evenings and nights. Ambassadors are strategically located across campus and respond to student calls from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. The UGA Ride Smart Program, which has provided more than 85,000 rides for UGA students since December 2021, gives our students a 50% discount on Lyft rides from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m.
As you can see, these ongoing investments will strengthen all aspects of campus security. We remain committed to our students, and there is no higher priority at the University of Georgia than the safety and security of our campus community.